Those of you familiar with Robert Kiyosaki's teachings will know about his cash flow quadrant book and how it goes into extensive detail with regards to 4 very specific groups that we people all fall under. These 4 groups are called the cash flow quadrant. Now, the ideal quadrant for anyone wanting to get wealthy is to be under the business or investor quadrant. Why, you ask? Because it allows you to exploit leverage to its fullest potential. This means that you can continue to increase your income by working the same amount of time, if not less, as opposed to an employee or a self-employed person who can only make X amount of money per hour he works. Now, Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes continually on becoming an investor because this is the quadrant that allows passive income to be generated. This is the end goal, to become an investor who can generate passive income no matter if he or she gets up for work or not. And this is my personal goal. So in order for this to be achieved in the fastest possible way, Mr. Kiyosaki suggests you build and grow businesses to create cash flow, which then allows you to invest the money and eventually become a wealthy full-time investor. So what the hell does all this have to do with trading Forex? You see, there is a false belief traveling the internet whereby people tend to believe that trading is nothing more than a mere job, when in reality they don't have a clue how powerful this alleged job is truly has an impact in their life. First of all, let's get something straight. Trading Forex can be anything you want it to be, okay? It can be a hobby, a very unprofitable hobby I may add to that. It can be just another job, like many call it on the internet. It can be a business, a hugely profitable one that is. It can be an investment, a wealth creation vehicle. So if you understand how to structure your Forex trading correctly, you will be in for the biggest ride of your life, guaranteed. So bear with me as I first explain what exactly occurs and differs between the business quadrant and the investor quadrant. First of all, business owners develop systems that contain employees for them. These so-called business systems are nothing more than step-by-step rules and parameters that the employee must adhere to on a consistent daily basis. This is also known as a job. Some of these rules could be the days the employee works, the time the employee works per day, the full responsibilities of the job held, whatever the business may be, and in exchange for this, the business owner will pay the employee a salary. Meanwhile, the business owner creates cash flow that then allows him to invest with the ultimate goal of creating residual income. Second, investors create and own money systems that create more money for them. These investment systems are nothing more than entry, risk management and exit rules for the investor to abide by so as to grow his portfolio over time in a systematic and professional manner. So are you starting to get the big picture yet? Forex trading, or any other type of trading for that matter, contains an amazing composition not many other types of businesses actually provide. You see, in a home-based Forex trading business, you automatically take advantage of 3 of the best quadrants, even though you still haven't realized. Now let me share with you how exactly this applies to your Forex trading career. First of all, we have the business quadrant. The owner of the Forex trading business develops a system so that his employee can do his job. This system contains the hours worked per day, the days he works per week, and the responsibilities of the job, that is to control and manage risk accordingly. That is the job of a trader, risk management. The investor quadrant, on the other hand, this person develops a money-making system that allows him to make money from his money. He's also the owner of the Forex trading business, and this business is in fact his investment. The employee quadrant. This is the person that holds the risk management position for the Forex trading firm. He gets paid a monthly salary for doing his job correctly. But the cool thing here is that you are all the 3 quadrants, built into one well-managed unit. You are the business owner who creates cash flow, which allows you to then invest the money and make even more money. You are the investor who invests money and makes even more money. You are the employee who trades for the company and gets paid a salary. The cool part is that because you are the business owner the investor and the employee all in one, you take full advantage of leverage. So what does this mean to you? This means that you work a set amount of hours per day, just like an employee does, with the difference that your income will grow exponentially over time with no additional work involved. You own a business which grows consistently and generates cash flow, which in turn allows you to invest. You are an investor with a business that generates consistent cash flow, which can now reinvest and make even more money from your money. And eventually, one of your goals should be to set yourself up as a correct business entity, not only to protect yourself, but also to take advantage of the huge reductions in taxes that the government gives. So get cracking, and finally remember, you are an investor with a positive cash flow business and with an extremely hard working, performance driven employee.